plug it in. We drained the Meepo V3 to 0%. We've reached about 20 kilometers. Check that video out, it's quite good, entertaining, filled with stats. So now we're gonna see one more stat. How long does it take to charge the Meepo V3 standard? So let's check it out and let's see. As you can see, there's 0% charged. Well, none of the dust from the ride got in to the board, which is quite good. Let's have a look here. Plug it in. You can see the charge indicator light. So it's tough to make out there, but that's 1%, and it's charging at 42 volts. 3%. Wow, it's quite quick. So we've just turned it on. Let's have a look. 7%. So 5:16 on Friday the 8th. Let's check it out. So in 30 minutes we've gone from 0 to 45%. That's not bad at all. So we can see the charging starts to tail off as it's approaching that 50%. So with 15 minutes later, we see we're hitting about 49%. But we're still charging at 42 volts, 2 amps. So let's continue to monitor. These are the specs of the charger. So it's 42 volt, 2 amp, so 84 watts of power. The charger itself gets quite hot. So the charging is really plateauing off here. So another 15 minutes, 10 more percent, roughly 11%. So it looks like 15 minutes for 10%. So we're hitting around 15 minutes per 10%. So we can kind of have an idea now of charging time overall. So 15 more minutes and now we're up to 80%. So that's going quite well. So we're hitting 94% now. So this is something I want to show as well. So what we'll do is we'll kill the charge. Let's have a look. So the charge is off. And now when the charger stops running, we'll see the drop from 95. So we'll typically lose around 5% when you stop charging. So when the voltage drops from the charger disconnected, the percentage will change. So that's not too bad. So we started around 3:15. It's now 5:10 and we're up to our 92%. So with 90% we saw we can go 21 kilometers. So 2 hours for 21 kilometers, that's not bad. So the battery percentage will fluctuate on the readout here and it will stabilize once the battery temperature cools down. So the battery case is warm. It's not hot, it's just warm.